Communism has been exposed as tyranny, but the democracies has also failed to rally the world toward alternatives that inspire hope and courage. We applaud the bold and the daring and innovative mission of the Reverend Sun Myung Moon to inspire men and women in every part of the globe to meet the crisis. His teachings, known as unification thought, offering a powerful new vision of a God-centered world, are already motivating one scientist, man and woman in all land to devote their lives to the quest for world peace and redeemed humanity. We are grateful to him for what he has already done and for his continuing effort on behalf of all humanity. On this auspicious occasion, we proclaimed our resolve to work with the Reverend Moon toward the establishment of the God-centered world of universal fellowship and harmony, in which the terrible wound of the past arising from differences of history, culture, nationality, and race will be bound up and healed. Toward this noble end, with the representatives of the PWPAs of the countries attending this first international congress, hereby affirm the following ideas. Number one, the universal reign under God of justice and goodwill. Number two, the brotherhood of all humanity under God. Number three, a world united under God in peace. Four, a new religiously inspired humanity. Number five, a new God-centered world civilization founded upon love and heart. We solemnly proclaim that before God and all of humanity that we will strive toward the achievement of these ideals. Seoul, Korea, December 18, 1983. Everybody signed this each paper, representative, and they together signed like this. After Father mentioned me, this proclaim or praise is important. Then proclaimed your independent, how would you say? Yes, yes. So because like they are not only simple scholars, representative of all, cultural world and academic world, representative of the world, they accept the Father's idea, unification thought, and also they praise it, support and work with the Father. It's a really, he built monument centering on this content for future history. It's a very important and significant meaning for his dispensational process, because 1983 is how important a year, and also until 1985 is how important era we now live. So through this kind of condition, it's very important for his whole dispensation activities. Father invited them the 18th evening in his apartment, the public house. Until that time, they listened to Father's speech publicly in same content in public rally, and another is a PWPA meeting, the first Congress, World Congress. They amazed about the Father's teaching. But that time, Father is freely, like today, so freely, but deep content, mainly like after elevated world, real world, spiritual world, and our eternal life, etc. They are so moved, so moved. After Father's speech, and the Father asked to scholars, if you have a special question, please you ask. The one professor from Jamaica and asked him. His first question is, how do you know my wife's desire? So I was shocked. Maybe he now tests the Father's spiritual power or what, But just after his question, he explained more. Before he left his own country to Korea, his wife asked to him, after you arrive in Korea, you have to buy your suit. This time, Father shared to them, gift for their custom tailor. Its meaning is not only tailor, it's a dress. Father's meaning is like 갑옷을 뭐라 그러지? Armament. Father proclaimed to them, your armament. And also, Father, announced to them, maybe you are a little complain, and then still, not sure why I call you, why I invited you. But if I announced to you 6 months ago or 1 year ago with a detailed reason, maybe you couldn't get here, everybody. Because of so short notice, suddenly asking, because of your interest, anyhow, you came here. Most of them, they agreed. So I don't want to spend the time or explain to you until we get this kind of signature, what kind of thing happened beyond there. I don't want to explain to you. I want to keep in my mind. But anyhow, you think about professors. They don't like sign. Especially like this kind of public letter or public material. As you know, they are as a characteristic, unique characteristic. Especially, already I read to you, this main content is your pledge number 5. Basically, pledge number 5 is for Unification Church member real money. But how is Father's expectation is like this? If we ask to like a normal way, you made a certain content, or please you decide your subcommittee, make a subcommittee and make a certain content, it's impossible. Impossible. So anyhow, I believe they have delayed by spiritual world. So some of them even they are after signature and then reading content. It's true. Because like the first Congress, World Congress, chairperson of Dr. Kaplan explained about this resolution and the praise. And Dr. Rubinstein, I made this basic content so and so explained. So all scholars, they believe Dr. Kaplan and Rubinstein. So after visited the father's apartment, and everybody signed, and then after sign, and then they looking, reading. So I believe it's basically they are respected to father, they believe father, and also really is in this content, communist, so no hope, the free world, no alternative hope, couldn't solve, failed. So unification thought and the father's teaching is only one hope. Only one hope. So because of their schedule, even 72 country representative couldn't arrive there. So, but the father asked me, we need 72 country. So some country is we by telephone ask to them content and signature. So we got the 73 nations chair or representative person signature, all this content. Actually, this year is since science conference. First science conference is like a 12 science conference. And also he established the PWPA this year, so 10 years. 10 years. So very significant, meaningful year. And also, most of congratulatory address or their hard work is basically like, Jewish scholars. So father, he proclaimed a wonderful message. Because of their hard work, in my mind, became so close with the Jewish people, Jewish country. So internally, his mind or his agonies, a certain area is already solved. I am so glad about this kind of content. So, how the eminent scholars, even not Mooney, they determined resolution and the praise and now marching on. So you and me, real Mooney, what shall we do? We have to do marching on more than before any event or any activities. So just we entered a new era and a new hopeful event. So I expect to you, not only you stay exciting and joyful because of this kind of announcement. Everybody, you're precious Mooney, so you're in front of them. So our praise and our resolution is how many times strong than them? You expecting 1,000 times or 10,000 times? So we can do it. Okay, good luck.
All right, now we thank you, Reverend Kwok, for most inspiring report about this event, this particular segment. Another leader who accompanied Father to fulfill this event was, as I said, Reverend Yong-Suk Choi, who has been serving as the steering committee chairman for the entire rally throughout the country, which is 8 cities, and plus 2 more leadership rallies. So altogether 10 rallies. This man is really have put together incredible the rally, and I would like to invite him coming up here so that he can give you his portion of the report, which will be very short and interpreted by Reverend Lee and together. So let's welcome this wonderful Korean leader, Reverend Choi and Reverend Lee.
How long are you, all members and IOWG members? 이번에 부모님을 모시고 한국에 가서 전국에 대회를 계획하고 또 준비하고 집행을 하는 위원장 책임을 맡고 큰 대회를 승리하고 모시고 돌아왔습니다.
I had the opportunity to lead and help and organize as a steering committee chairman of all VOC rally in Korea. That way was assigned by father.
그러니까 한국에 도착을 12월 4일 날 도착을 해서 6일 날 준비위원회를 거국적으로 결정을 했습니다.
I arrived December 4th, 1983. It's already last year. And then we organized whole committee December 6th to start the rally.
그때부터 모든 부서의 기구를 편성하고 또 전국에 가장 큰 실내 체육관을 예약을 하고 또는 그 대회장 장소에서 논아줄 케이크를 준비하고 인쇄물을 준비하고 포스터를 준비하고 밤을 새우기 시작했습니다.
Including whole aspect of organization in different committee and different preparation, the organization and including the reserving the biggest gymnasium in each big cities, and including the posters and printings and pamphlet, everything starts organized.
그러니까 14일부터 일주일 이후부터 준비 기구를 편성해서 준비하기 시작한 일주일 이후부터 천국 라리가 매일매일 23일까지 시작되는 싸움이었습니다.
The rally was supposed to start from December 14th. This means only just 1 week before they started to organize all these campaigns. From December 14th to 23, this period, whole rally started to organize just 1 week before.
또 그 지방에서 가장 큰 실내 체육관이기 때문에 보통 일반 좌석이 8,000석 내지 서울은 2만석을 넘는 그런 그 실내 체육관들입니다.
All these big cities, the biggest gymnasium, the smaller one is more than 8,000 seats, and biggest one is more than 20,000 seats in Seoul.
그러나 그 장소를 3배 이상 인원이 거기에 차고 넘칠 수 있는 인원을 참석시킬 계획을 우리들은 추진을 시작했습니다.
So we planned to bring 3 times more than the capacity of the gymnasium, each gymnasium.
그러니까 정부에서도 미처 상상할 수 없는 차원의 우리는 무서운 준비를 일주일 동안에 하면서 대회를 시작을 했던 겁니다.
Even in a short period, even government people couldn't imagine how we really made a plan with serious determination.
또 부모님의 말씀이 명령이 떨어졌을 때 전국적인 한국에 가서 이런 그 집회를 해야 된다는 명령이 계실 때 그 책임을 진 모든 사람들마저도 연말인데 모두가 다 바쁜 기간인데 그 많은 청중을 전 국민을 가는 곳마다 전국에서 과연 동원시킬 수가 있을까 하는 것이 제일 큰 불안한 우리들의 사항이었습니다.
When the leaders was asked to organize this rally, even our church leaders or other VOC leaders was really questionable. How can we bring in this short period? Especially the December is usually the busy in any country around the Christmas time. So they felt a really difficult task to organize this.
그 많은 그 큰 장소에 많은 수만 명씩을 동원을 시키려면은 우리 주최 측에서는 버스라도 지원을 해서 싣고 와야 되겠는데 아버님께서는 일체 자기들이 버스를 사가지고 자기 발로 오게 만들어라는 그런 말씀이었습니다.
And because they thought his difficult thing was one, even father even didn't want to support to organize the bus. So the father's idea, they should come by their own foot. I don't have to help them.
그리고 자기들이 버스를 사가지고 오게 해라면
If they need the bus, they should buy their own themselves. That was the father's idea.
그러니 도무지 우리들로서는 참 불안하기에 그지없었지만 아버님께서는 틀림없이 차고 넘치고 이번 전국대회는 반드시 하나님으로부터 내가 승리한다는 그런 사인을 받고 한국에 가서 이번에 그 대회를 이 3년 노정이 역사적인 이 3년 노정이 시작되는 1983년도가 끝나기 전에 한국에서 대회를 승리해야 된다는 하나님의 내가 치를 받고 가는 발걸음이기 때문에 반드시 승리한다는 그러한 명령을 우리에게 주셨던 것입니다.
Even the leaders were so nervous because they were not sure how they can bring the people. Father even don't support the bus. Father asked them they should come by themselves. If they organize, they have to bring their own bus. But Father told them very clearly, before even I left for Korea, in America, I received the direction from God. God told me I will bring the victory. Definitely.
그리고 아버님께서는 떠나시는 날, 지금 레버넌 곽 통해서 여러분들이 보고 들으신 대로 떠나시는 날 전 세계의 아카데미 회장단들은 한국으로 올 것을 공항에서 지시를 하시고 떠나셨습니다.
And Father, in the last day when he left from the American airport, he just, at that time, he gave the direction to Reverend Kwok to bring all the leaders of PWPA in the world.
그렇기 때문에 그분들 역시 과연 얼마나 도착을 해줄까가 의심이었습니다.
So we were not sure how many people really they can come to Korea.
또한 여러분들이 아시는 카우사 활동에서 쓰고 있는 멀티비전 이 모든 기제를 비행기로 또 한국으로 옮겨가기 시작했습니다.
As you may heard already, the Kausa, the Colonel Park is using special technique to present and to deliver the message. The multivision equipment was delivered from America to Korea. It's 20 tons? 20 tons of equipment.
20톤이 넘습니다. 8톤 추럭이 뭐 거의 10대 가까운.
The whole full of load of 8-ton trucks, eight trucks of 8-ton trucks.
그러니까 불과 짧은 일주일 동안에 엄청난 준비가 한국에서는 시작이 되는 겁니다. 밤낮을 가리지 않고.
In this short period of 24 hours every day, just desperately preparing to bring this final victory.
또 하나 어려웠던 것은 전국의 그 가장 큰 실내 체육관을 계약을 해야 되는데 연속적으로 14일부터 23일까지 전국을 다 끝내게 그럼 실내 체육관을 어떤 수단 방법을 가리지 않고라도 그것을 우리가 빼앗아서 다른 사람이 예약된 스케줄까지도 취소를 시키면서 우리는 그 장소를 계약을 하지 않으면 안 되는 엄청난 또 하나 싸움이 있었습니다.
Another one difficult was to reserve the biggest gymnasium in each city to make these rally consecutive days without mistake from 14s. Every day have to continue. To do that, you have to cancel somebody else's reservation already. It's not easy job to do that.
여러분들이 아시다시피 한국은 86년 아세안 게임과 88년 세계 올림픽 게임이 있기 때문에 모든 크나큰 실내 체육관마다 스포츠의 스케줄로서 꽉 차 있습니다. 그것을 86년과 88년은 세계 올림픽.
As you know already in Korea, we are preparing the biggest international event. The Olympic game is supposed to be held in 1988 and the Asian Olympic game 1986. Because of this, every town and big cities, they are using these kind of facilities.
더군다나 가장 중요한 이 서울의 그 잠실 체육관은 우리가 써야 할 그날이 전국의 경찰들의 체육대회로 예약된 날이다 그 말이야. 그러니까 경찰관들의 체육대회에 그 스케줄을 밀어붙이고 아버님 내부는 문의 대회를 거기서 치러야 된다고 우리는 투쟁을 하고 싸움이 시작했다고 말이야.
Especially in the Seoul Gymnasium, Jamsil, you know the place you had the blessing, the biggest one. That schedule, that day was already made by the national policemen's athletic activities that day. It has to be switched around.
여기에서부터 또한 시비가 붙기 시작했고,
And they had to fight.
그 다음에는 지금 이 한국의 실정은 현 정부가 세워진 이래 3년 동안 어떠한 단체의 집회도 불허하는 그런 그야말로 상황에 있었다고 말이야.
As you know already in Korean political situation,
대중 집회가 불허해.
after President Chun's government emerged during 3 years until now, there was no special any big event was made. Any rallies, any big conference was not allowed. Nothing happened.
그리고 그야말로 정부를 반대하는 그런 모든 그 정치 활동도 전부 다 규제가 되어 있다고 말이야. 그렇기 때문에 어떤 집회도 군중 집회도 그들은 원치 않는다고.
Well, including most of the anti-government rallies and conference, all these things was really controlled by the government. Any other big event, the government did not want to really held.
우리가 전국 그 장소를 다 계약을 마쳤는데 나중에 전부 다 이것이 정부에 보고가 되기를 네 번은 문이 오셔가지고 전국에 일대에 엄청난 대집회가 계획되고 있다는 것이 보고가 되니까 저 정부 집권층에서는 깜짝 놀랐단 말이에요. 그래가지고 보이지 않는 압력과 보이지 않는 방해가 시작되었단 말이에요. 처음에는
After we made all the reservation, somehow we made it reservation one after another every day, consecutive was 7 or until 23. Then that reported to the top level of the government, and then they heard that Reverend Moon is going to hold the big rallies in each places.
그 이유는 이미 3년 전 아버님께서는 한국에 무이어시 교육을 100만 명을 시켜서 조직을 해놨은 적이 있었다고 말이에요. 그때 지금 현재 이 현 정권자들이 처음에 그 새로운 정부를 출발할 때 집권당을 조직하는데 그 집권당보다도 아버님이 교육시켜놓은 이 승공연합의 기반이 더 크다는 것을 그들은 의식하면서 우리들을 잠시 그들은 억압을 하고 이 승공연합을 해산할 것을 그들은 총영한 적이 있었다 그 말이야.
The reason was so surprising and shocking news was already 3 years ago, Father trained through our VOC, IFVC organization, trained more than 1 million people in Korea, and all the VOC membership was so many. But that time, the Korean government, they started to organize their own party membership. So they realized our member was better and more stronger and more. So they even they felt it threatening, and then they really tried to control and even gave us the advice: don't even continue this kind of VOC activities anymore.
Just 3 years ago.
Just 3 years ago.
그 집권당이 50만을 넘지 못할 때 벌써 우리 VOC 멤버들은 100만 명을 넘고 있었다고 말이야.
When they had a 500,000 membership, we had more than 1 million membership.
그 이후에는 집회도 못 오게 했다고 말이야.
And after they stopped our meetings.
그들 기반이 약했기 때문에 느껴지는 그들의 피해 의식이었다고 말이야.
Because they felt it's something significant, threatening is coming.
그런데 이번에 3년 만에 아버님이 나타나셔가지고 레버논 문이 와가지고 전국에 라리를 한다니까 깜짝 놀랐다고 말이야. 집권 측에서.
Then after 3 years, suddenly Father appeared and then trying to hold whole big rallies nationwide. They were so much surprised, completely shocked.
그러나 라리의 이 주제 자체가 구국과 반공, 승공이라는 주제이기 때문에 직접적으로는 반대가 할 수 없기 때문에 몇 개 지역의 장소를 취소시켜라 하는 그런 지시가 내리고 있었다 그 말이에요.
However,
집회를 방해하는
the contents of this rally is to save our country for victory over communism rallies. So therefore in Korea we have our constitution guarantees the anti-communist activities, VOC activities, the national first policy for anything else. But then they gave some directions, at least out of 10 places, 2 places we should stop it.
그 다음에는 일부 기성교회 목사들은 이것은 승공을 빙자한 통일교의 포교다 해가지고 대통령에게 항의를 하고 정부에게 항의를 하고 장관들에게 항의를 하고 이 집회를 어떻게든지 이것을 못 오게끔 막아달라고 아우성을 시키기 시작했다고 말이야.
On the other hand, other Christian organizations who really are jealousy or don't like what we are doing or don't like what we are growing, then they really made a petition to the government. Oh, this VOC rally is nothing else than evangelical or witnessing or church meeting, or please stop this movement and please stop these rallies. And they gave a lot of petition to the government.
그런데 한국은 지금 내년에 선거를 예정을 하고 있단 말이에요. 그렇기 때문에 선거를 앞에다 놓고 새로운 엄청난 단체가 나타나가지고 전국적인 엄청난 바람이 불 때는 집권당으로서 적이 염려가 되는 바가 있다고 그들은 또한 집권당 측에서는 판단을 해서 암암리에 어떻게든지 이 집회가 공식적으로는 방해한다고는 할 수가 없기 때문에 승공과 반공을 한다는데 어떻게 자기들이 반대하느냐고 말이에요. 또 그건 사실이고, 그렇기 때문에 계약된 장소를 몇 군데 취소시켜라. 그 다음에는 군악되고 그 행사에 동원되기로 되었던 사람들이 어떻게든지 동원되지 못하도록 모든 행정기관을 동원을 해서 행정기관을 통해서 전부 다 할 수만 있으면 그 집회에 가지 말라고 브레이크를 걸기 시작했단 말이에요.
Another reason they really desperately tried to stop at least a few places. The reason was next year government are facing for the national election for the president. And then at this time, suddenly this group is mobilizing the whole national population. Then they're not sure what will happen to them. Therefore, they try to use the administrative system and organization directly, indirectly, we hired many brass band, the famous the government band, the military band. Every time, just one day before, they cancel. They say, I'm sorry, we cannot do it. Don't ask us. Something happened.
대회를
Try
하는
to cancel the gymnasiums.
대회를 하는 그날 캔슬을 시켜버리는 장소가 있었다고 말이야.
Same day when they tried it. Same day we're going to give the rallies and then try to cancel the band and the gymnasium.
그것을 우리는 예측하고 한국의 IOWC의 이 밴드 팀을 데리고 가서 즉각 그것을 대체했다고 말이야.
Because we expected this kind of problem will happen, so therefore we prepared our own Korean IOWC band was always following, and something happened, they just replaced.
그런데
Prepared for the emergency purpose.
저 남쪽 한국 코리아의 제일 남쪽에서부터 대회를 시작해 올라오는 거예요. 남쪽에서부터 대회를 하는데 제일 처음 대회를 하는 그 장소가 제일 궁금했단 말이야. 정부에서는 그냥 위에서부터 압력을 가해가지고 집회 어떻게든지 못하게끔 방해하고, 사람들은 가지 말라고 그냥 모든 행정기구를 동원해서 그 불화까지도 전부 다 돌면서 이번 대회 참석하지 말라, 이런 거 보이지 않는 압력이 있었다고 말이야. 그렇기 때문에 우리들은 굉장하게 참 마음에 처음에는 불안스러웠고 정말 얼마나 올까. 그러나 우리 이 그야말로 처치 멤버들 그리고 IOWC 교육을 받은 그 모든 사람들은 아버님이 직접 연사로 나타나신다니까 이것이 굉장한 자극과 화제가 되어가지고 세계적으로 한국을 위해서 그렇게 애국을 하고 세계 속에 그렇게 위대하신 내부는 선명문께서 직접 오시는 것이 사실이냐 하는 것을 모든 그 국민들과 시민들은 우리 주최 측의 사람들에게 묻기 시작했다고 말이야.
Because the father started the rally, the southern part of the city, which is named Masan. It's actually historically very famous, significant meaning it has. 1960, the student revolution started. April 19th revolution, thrown away the Korean Seungmanri government actually. They started from there. That's why starting for the Masan was very serious, and also because there was so much objection, and then directly, indirectly, using the local village administrators and then government employers, and they try to use every means and ways try to stop, but they couldn't officially stop it because the VOC rallied. Nobody, unless they are communist. But they are trying discourage many different ways by holding the different kind of they're not supposed to have a meeting, but suddenly they hold the meetings, and government officer, the local village administrators, and everybody, so they got involved, and they were telling them don't go there. But because our church leaders and VOC leaders was so serious, because Father speaking directly, and also we were advertising, doing the campaign, people outside world also, they were really asking, questioning, is it really true Reverend Moon is really coming? Is it really coming to speak? Is it true he's coming? Because Father never spoke publicly so many different places.
더군다나 우리 한국은 지금 여러 가지 뭐 미국과 똑같다고 말이야. 공산주의에 대항을 해서 이길 자신이 없다고 말이야.
In Korea, we have also, even though the most strongest anti-communist countries, but the people in deep heart, young people, older people, they are not so sure whether they can win the communism or whether they can really defeat communism ideologically. There's so much confusion.
지난 9월 1일 날에는 칼 여객기가 소련 전투기에 의해서 격추당해가지고 270여 명이 그냥 그 추운 바다에 추락을 해서 전부 다 몰사죽음을 했지만 약소국가로서 발만 구를 뿐이지 별도리가 없다고 말이야. 그런 불안, 난군 사태 속에서 대통령 일행들이 전부 다 장관들이 여섯